All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is our last example from section 8.4. And actually look at my little note down here. You are done with Math 1033. Hooray! All right, this is our last example for Math 1033. So I hope you've enjoyed these videos. I hope they've helped you in the course. Let's go ahead and finish this. I need to distribute here. So I have x squared minus 4x is equal to a negative 8. I then have to add 8 to both sides to put this in standard form. I have x squared minus 4x plus 8 equals 0. So a would of course be a 1. When you don't see the leading coefficient, it's a 1. B is a negative 4, and C is a positive 8. So, x is equal to the opposite of B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2a. Alright? So when I simplify this, I get a 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared is 16. Negative 4 times 1 times 8 is a negative 32. And this is all over 2. So I have 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 32 is a negative 16. This is all over 2. I'm going to turn the paper over. 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 16 all over 2. Now remember, when I see a negative under a square root, I know I'm going to get an I. And in this case, 16 is a perfect square, so the square root of 16 is 4. So the square root of negative 16 would be 4i. This is all over 2, and remember, these equal signs are representing my answers. The answer, x equals these. Every one of these is divisible by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4i divided by 2 is 2i. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And in my final answer, I'm not going to show the 1 on the bottom. Anything divided by 1 is itself. So I end up with 2 non-real complex answers. 2 plus or minus 2i. If you wrote them out separately, one answer would be 2 plus 2i, and the other answer would be 2 minus 2i. And again, those solutions are not real, they're imaginary complex. We're done. Hooray! I hope Math 1033 went well for you. Good luck on the final.